Punjab, taking that.
Do that. No, no. What लागतं? 8 bar 12, 11, 10, 58 bar 80, 86. All these people will come. Copy of the directorate of settlement saying that the RBNL don't have or the railways have documents, ownership. To bring them to self-explanatory.
Consider further down because there are houses, residential houses.
नहीं, but वो road फिर है.
Roading sir.
Yes.
This is that road, small road.
Yeah, this bit is ending over here.
Ending here.
Yeah, and then it is showing there is a place for me for my land. Yes, it is 58 by 10.
This one, no small.
Yes, yes.
So why this was not tarred?
So I do not know. I have
And
given
what is this
application.
47 bar 1?
There is an
There's a
area
house.
over
There's
there.
a small this and there's a
Small
house. This was the ex-police station.
So where is the railway track now here?
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
track is here.
Yeah, right on this boundary.
This boundary. On the eastern
So
side.
दाखयला तो तुम्ही आणि हांगा कित्याक कट जाता तो? So there is no
There
joining
is
to this
a
road.
water drainage over here.
See, where
So where is the road which turns inside?
Yeah. This is that.
I mean,
All are using this.
before this road even was constructed, he pandi. These are all the waterways. This was a marshland. It was drained. So ते पांडे असले सारे ते पुरेन आम्ही water आम्ही रस्त केले. Before until the 80s, this was all a pond.
And this road also is complete till here.
Yeah.
Till here somewhere it is a tar.
Till here it is complete. Till here it is tarred. Then this.
So from here to here it is remaining.
It
no?
is remaining,
So
yes.
why don't all these owners come together, give single NOC कि बाबा आमका त्रास जाता whatever it
I am the only person here.
Yeah, so why these people are not giving?
I'll
Check
give
or
them.
मरे.
So that is one thing. But going beyond this, also there are owners, there are residents.
But at least एक और नहीं पहले.
त्यांक area
This
but-
is
but we have
सारखे तुझे मुखार हा मरे.
त्यांका मुखार हा न्हू ती मुखार हा त्यांका
So
मुखार
but their road ना जे मात केल्लो.
सर्वे प्लॅनाचं
Same thing. That's the same thing.
सेम
There also road is there.
ना
Tar road it is. Mud and then
मुका टार रोड हा
No, here,
Tar road
here,
is माती
50 meters from
No, no. I'm talking about your area.
और we
Your area.
my area. See, mine is
tar
not
रोडाचे माती घातल्या ना.
ना
What I'm asking you, की हांगा तुका road असा. If this was a tar road, you would have shown how can they dump mud on tar road.
At least you should have done this till here you should have done.
Yes.
This portion should have been done. This
Yeah.
is preference.
This is the difference.
Different will get it. Will
They
get
have
it.
to give the NOC. You know how?
Is using this road. It is not only just one or two houses that are using this road. You can see the vehicles out here. These vehicles are not even from the village. I have if you I think so highlight, you will able to see the numbers also. I have the pictures on my mobile. You will get to know that the vehicles are not even from this village. So you can know that people outside the village also are coming and going through this road, passing through this road. And now if they are going to block this road, from where are we going to enter? It is a landlocked It will be a landlocked area. So how do I get out of my place? How do I get an access to my place? There is no way.
Not first time that Amit Patkar, our GPC president, has visited this area. Previously also, when there was an issue on the way to Mola also, he was there along with Elton, our MLA from Kepe, Yuri Alema, all of them have visited. It is not that this is the first time. So you need to just correct it. But for the right of way, all of them are here. Our Olencio and Moreno, he's our candidate also from Kurtori. Savio De Silva, district president. Rest of all our team is here. You know, there is so many people from other villages, nearby villages also here in solidarity with the villages of Premier Wado of Velsam. So, having said that, what we are fighting is for a just cause. We are not here to steal government land or to steal railway land. As Amit has rightly stated, we have got documentation issued by the Director of Settlement and Land Records, which I'll share with you, wherein they have clearly stated that RVNL do not own any land here. This is state land, and state land belongs to the local panchayat. So all this, we have very good documentation with us, which have also, wherein also RVNL also has written that that they do not have access to this land. See, we have a letter from RVNL also. But having said that, there are some miscreants in the village, who are spreading a wrong that this land belongs to the railways. So it is not done. This land, let us put it on record that this land doesn't belong to the railways. We are very, very clear about that. This land belongs to the villagers and will rightly remain so, despite the fact that in the night, now last night our Sarpanch, she has got photography evidence that until 2:30 a.m. this morning they're dumping mud in this area. Are we not humans and we do not have this? See, we are peace-loving Goans. Okay, otherwise in another area there would have been, what would have happened. But still we are appealing to the government of Goa. Please stop. You assert your authority. Goa is not for sale. Let there be, as demanded by our local Sarpanch, let there be a survey done in this area. This was agreed when our South Goa MP had met the collector South. And this was demanded that the entire stretch from all the three villages, that is Velsang, Pali and Isorsi, will have a demarcation done. Why it was only done for 18/1? Why not here? Let us get a clear identity, of who owns what. Let us know what is, because as far as we know, there is no land acquisition in Velsang. There is no land acquisition for the railway project in Velsang as of today. So, railways and their corporates, their friends in Adani and Jindal, they must keep off our land. Otherwise, there will be a sustained agitation. This is what is a trailer, what is to come. All the associations across Goa, NGOs, the political parties within our state, across the state, they have contacted us. They have said we are ready. So the government better be warned what is coming next. They should stop dumping this and restore this land as how it was earlier. Now we do not have access. They have dumped land and blocked our way. So how are these people going to exit from this area?
See, this double tracking issue वो कितली वर्सां जाली चालू हा. आमचे नवे साऊथ गोवाचे खासदार जे नवे निवडून आयल्या कॅप्टन विरियाटो फर्नांडीस आणि तिनूय पार्लमेंटान जे सेशन जाले हे तिनूय पार्लमेंटाच्या सेशनान मुद्दो उठयला. लास्ट टाइम अलॉंग विथ द सरपंच आणि बाकीचे सगळे रेजिडेंट्स देर वॉज अ मिटींग विच वॉज कॉल्ड अलॉंग विथ द RVNL वेर स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान सांगिल्लें की वी वील सर्वे आमी करतले म्हणून. पूण आतां कळून येता की एकूच सर्वे नंबराचे सर्वे करून ते गेल्या विच इज 18/1 आणि बाकीचे विलेजीन अजुनूय सर्वे जाल्ली ना. आतां बारीक जर आमी हांगा पळयत जाल्यार फाटल्यान रेल्वे ट्रॅक दिसता आणि वो सायडीन जे आमी आतां उबे रावल्या पळय दिस इज अ विलेज रोड विच इज रायट ऑफ वे ह्या लोकांक आपल्या घरा वचपाक. आतां मजा अशी की 2022 जेन्ना ह्या लोकांनी कलेक्टराक बरयल्लें ते कलेक्टरान एक रिप्लाय ह्या लोकांक दिल्ली आसा की एज पर ओल्ड पोर्चुगीज डॉक्युमेंट फाटलो जागो जो आसा रेल्वेचो वो रेल्वेक दिल्लो ना एक्विशन. बट सबसिक्वेंटली इन द इयर म्हणल्यार जो LRC जो जालो अंडर सेक्शन 14(1) विच सेज दॅट जे टायटल ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट लँड्स फॉर एक्झाम्पल रोड्स किंवा रायट ऑफ वे जे आसतले हातून ताची लिगल एंटिटी पयल्या शिवाय तो जागो एक्वायर जावचो ना. दिस इज अ क्लियर कट guidelines of the LRC. आता in LRC what does it state? It states that the property provided subject to right of way and all other रायट्स पब्लीक इंडिव्हिज्युअल लिगली सबसायडींग म्हणजे आता रायट ऑफ वे जी आमी आता उबे रावल्या पळय दिस इज अ रायट ऑफ वे. जर तर स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाचो जर तर ही प्रॉपर्टी जाल्यार रायट ऑफ वे इज फॉर द लोकल गोवन्स. आता फाटल्यान जो आमी कोळसो पळयता हो अडानीचो आणि जिंदालाचो कोळसो. सो आता मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगचे की गोंयकारा पासत तो रायट ऑफ वे प्रोटेक्ट करतलो काय अडानी आणि जिंदालाचो कोळसो व्हरपाक प्रोटेक्ट करतलो. म्हाका दिसता दिस इज अ क्लियर कट एटेम्प्ट की हे जे क्रोनी मित्र ह्या सरकाराचे आसा जिंदाल अडानी हांचो कोळसो व्हरपाक हे सरकार गोंय काबार करपाक उठला. स्वर्गेस्त आदलो मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर इज ऑन रिकॉर्ड सेईंग दॅट ताणें सांगिल्लें आपूण डबल ट्रॅकिंग जावपाक दिवचो ना. ताणें सांगिल्लें की स्टेटांतलो जागो आपल्या अंडर येता अँड आय विल नॉट गिव इट. सो वाय डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत इज सो हेलबेंट टू डू दीस डबल ट्रॅकिंग प्रोजेक्ट. कित्याक ही इज द पपेट ऑफ द सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट. ताका वयल्यान ऑर्डर आयिल्ली आसा की तूं हें डबल ट्रॅकिंग कर आनी गोंयान कोळसो हाडून काबार कर. We demand that the chief minister should come clear whether the right of way which is for the Goans. अरे लोकांची हांगा वस्ती आसा गांव आसा फाल्यां लोकांक हांगा एम्ब्युलन्स येवची पडटली फायर ब्रिगेड येवची पडटली फाल्यां कितें मेडिकल इमर्जन्सी जाल्यार लोकांनी वचप खंयच्यान. रेल्वे दारां येतली लोकांच्या और रेल्वे इज मोर दॅन द पीपल ऑफ गोवा. म्हणल्यार आमी गोंयकाराचो रायट प्रोटेक्ट करपाचो काय रेल्वेचो रायट प्रोटेक्ट करपाचो हें म्हाका दिसता मुख्यमंत्र्यान क्लियर येवपाक जाय. हे येता ते फेब्रुवारी अधिवेशन आसा. आमचो लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन बाकीचे आमदार वी वील रेज दीस इश्यू. वी वील टॉक टू द मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट ऑल्सो अँड आस्क द ऑथॉरिटीज की बाबा सर्वे फूल हाजी कित्याक जावना. वाय ओन्ली वन सर्वे नंबर हॅज बीन एकूच सर्वे नंबराचे कित्याक सर्वे जाल्या. आय थिंक दिस इज अ रोड रायट ऑफ एक्सेस रायट ऑफ वे विच इज बींग यूज फॉर ऑलमोस्ट हंड्रेड्स ऑफ इयर्स. आनी म्हाका दिसता स्थानिक जे ऑथॉरिटीज लायक कलेक्टर हू इज देर हू टेक्स केअर ऑफ द रायट ऑफ वे म्हाका दिसता तांणी इंटरव्यून जावपाची गरज आहा. आमी एकूच ह्या सरकाराक म्हजो प्रश्न आसा की आमी गोंयान रावपी गोंयकाराचो इंट्रस्ट पयलीं पळोवप. काँग्रेस पार्टीचो 2022 मॅनिफेस्टो तूं पळयत किंवा आमचो 2024 लोकसभाचो मॅनिफेस्टो पळयत जाल्यार इन आवर मॅनिफेस्टो वी हॅव सेड that we will not allow Goa to be a coal hub. So which automatically says that we will not allow double tracking in Goa. This was the Congress party stand. आता हे थोडे इंडिपेंडंट आमदार हांगाचो आसतलो कुर्तोरेचो आसतलो आमचो बाब मोरेनूय हांगा हे लोकां कडेन 2022 कितें म्हणून गेले की हे बीजेपीक नाका बीजेपीक उडोवया तुमी आपल्या मतां मारा म्हणून हे लोकां मरे गेले. रिझल्ट जाता की हे सगळे वचून थंय तेकले मरे बीजेपीक हांणी आपलो दुसरो कलर दाखयलो कुर्तोरेकारांनूय दाखयलो आणि म्हाका दिसता कोर्ताली मल्यानूय दाखयलो. आज लोकल आमदार जो वो एडिटेशन जाता किंवा आता हांगाचे एक स्थानिक जी ओनर आसा तिने 2022 आमदाराक बरयल्लें की बाबा हो रायट ऑफ वे आसा तो आपल्याक रस्तो एटलिस्ट टार कर आनी दी. ह्यो गाडयो डेली मुवमेंट जाता तो धुल्ल जाता अजून ताचेर तो एक्शन घेना. कित्याक रेल्वेच्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचे कमिशन इज मोर देन मेकिंग दी स्टार रोड. सो म्हाका दिसता स्थानिक आमदार फक्त ते रेल्वेचे डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचे कमिशन खावपाकूच बिजी दिसता. आज स्थानिक लोकांक जर तर त्रास जाता जाल्यार इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्हचे काम आसता की ते सॉल्व करप. ती मागीर तुका मतां पडूं ना पडूं इज सेकंडरी बिकॉज यू आर द इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह ऑफ दीस एंटायर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. सो आय थिंक ही हॅज फेल्ड ऑन हीज पार्ट to address these issues. Anyways, Ami Asa Congress party is there who are always standing with the people of Goa. We will take up this issue. Amcho South Goa district president also is here. Amcho Stanik Goa Pradesh Congress committee treasurer also is here. Amche ya मतदार संघाचो candidate also is here. Hangache sarpanch panch सगळे लोक. We will stand by the people and we will make sure that this issue is taken up in the coming assembly session also. We have been taking up it in parliament. आणि जे तांकां आतां आमी सांगला some formalities which has to be done, we will stand by the people. They are all out to sell Goa, to destroy Goa, to destroy the identity of Goa, to Goa's rich culture, heritage. They are all out to sell it. They are all out to sell this to the crony friends of this government and to Delhiites. if we see today the destruction which is happening all across Goa in terms of land conversion, in terms of hill cutting, in terms of filling the fields, agriculture fields. So I don't see any legacy of what Manohar Parrikar told these people are carrying forward. And Manohar Parrikar was on record, it is there everywhere, where he said that I will not allow double tracking. He clearly told that the land which is there in the state of Goa comes under state government's purview. So why this government of Pramod Sawant is hell-bent to complete this double tracking project? अरे सुप्रीम कोर्टान तांकां थंय रिस्ट्रिक्शन घातिल्लें आसा ऑन वेस्टर्न घाट्स not to increase. So why are they so hell-bent to complete this project? कित्याक कमिशन खावपाक जे हजारांनी करोड रुपया पळय डबल ट्रॅकिंगाक जे सँक्शन जाल्यात ताजे कमिशन खावपाक लागून तुम्ही हे करता. म्हणजे लोकांच्या जीवना कडेन हे सरकार खेळटा मरे.